My experience in dance is great. I not only learned about dance or how to dance, but also learned about teamwork, focus and improvisational skills. Dance enhances me in the skills of perception, observation, concentration and confidence, which is important and useful in every person's life to make it better and easier.
Well, I have started dance at the age of 6, but honestly I don't have any interest in dance, but always I wanted to know what is dance. So one of the most important lessons being a dancer has taught me that if you work hard, practice hard and give your all efforts to that, the satisfaction of performing in front of audience responses is the best ability of yours, which is more valuable than any other number of trophies and prizes.
Dance is not about just following some steps with the music. It's all about the way you feel it, the way you feel the music and let your body to move with some expressions with the rhythm of the music. One of the most important lessons that being a dancer has taught me is discipline. It also taught me about how to be hardworking, to be punctual, and also it improved my confidence level.
जब से मैं छोटी थी तब से मुझे डांस से बहुत ज़्यादा लगाव था। जब भी मैं म्यूज़िक सुनती थी तब मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं अच्छा नाच रही हूँ या बुरा, लेकिन मेरे मन में जो भी आता था मैं वही नाच दिया करती थी। पहले मैं सोचती थी डांस के स्टेप्स ही है जो लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, पर नहीं, मैं गलत थी। Dance is not only about steps that attract people, it's about the feelings you put in your dance steps to make it better.
My experience in dance is full of enjoyment. When I feel the music and dance on its beats, it feels me relax. In this field, I can express who am I as a person. It helped me a lot to gain confidence in myself.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session of Dance e-pathsala'and, and today we are going to dance on an energetic song, and the name of the song is Taal se Taal Mila. So let's begin.
First of all, we are going to do the first part. So let's begin. So now keep your right hand here and your left hand here. And bend your knees a bit. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now, ball change 1 and 2, then turn 3 and 4. Now, leave 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so let's do this part with music.
At first beat counting 5, 6, 7 start 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Is it okay for you all? Yes. Okay. Then now there is a challenge for you all. That is 5 minutes challenge. Basically what we need to do is that we have 16 counts and we need to compose these 16 counts by our own. That means self-composition within 5 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, then let's start.
My point of view on dance and education is actually very good to improve overall fitness and endurance, etc. And mostly when the students work together in the same group, this sense of team spirit really encourages us.
Both my dance and my education means a lot to me, but never in a way my dance have ever affected my education.
Dance helped me to gain focus in my studies as well as it helped me to improve my communication skills.
Dance in education combines physical, mental and emotional attachment to yourself. I am trying to carry dance in education equally to my goals as it is necessary.
जब से मैंने डांस करना स्टार्ट किया है तब से लेके आज तक मुझे डांस एंड एजुकेशन में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई और जब मैं पढ़ते पढ़ते बोर हो जाती हूँ तब मेरे माइंड के रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए मैं थोड़ा गाना लगाकर डांस कर लिया करती हूँ.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Rasti pe